World War II, undetectable drones and ballistic missiles have changed war tactics exponentially, allowing smaller militaries to defeat larger ones on the battlefield. One big reason is the technological advancements, and the ways they are used have altered the tactics of wars. Over the past decade, new technological developments have impacted a wide range of global markets. The military sector is no exception, though. In fact, the military sector has seen the most change. Now, with emerging technologies, soldiers will have more responsibilities if autonomous robots are used in wars, as they will have to worry about programming, maintenance, and communication instead of just taking orders. In this video, you'll watch some of the most advanced and artificial intelligence-powered military technologies in 2022. On top of the list is Vision 60, 4th generation QUGV. Vision 60 is the U.S. Army new weaponized robot to achieve fully autonomous performance. This four-legged 4th-generation robot is a mid-sized, high-endurance, and durable all-weather ground drone designed for use in a variety of unstructured urban and natural environments for defense, homeland security, and enterprise applications. While legged robots are still in their early stages, Ghost QUGVs is designed to adapt quickly to new environments by utilizing a proprietary blind mode control core that mimics how mammals operate in various urban and natural environments. Even if the environment is totally unknown and vision sensors degrade or fail, you can be assured, even if this legged robot fails, slips, or falls, it will immediately get back up and continue moving. QUGVs are not only capable of navigating unstructured terrain, but they are also designed for demanding customers in demanding situations. Compared to other competitors, this robot is faster, more durable, and has greater endurance. In other words, it is meant to protect people from harm. Despite these attributes, the QUGV can be accurately labeled as a military robot. Next up, we have the CV90120T Ghost. During the 1990s and early 2000s, there was much debate about the future need for the main battle tank in a modern military. The Swedish company then began designing, experimenting, and developing alternatives to shield against the threats. After 3 years of challenging research, a team of 7 people with expertise in problem-solving, software, sensors, electronics, and design created this one-of-a-kind solution. This Swedish T-Ghost is the latest version of the T-Medium tank, built on the proven combat vehicle 90 infantry fighting vehicle hull. The T-Ghost is equipped with a new compact tank gun and BAE Systems' latest camouflage technology. It is so effective that it renders the vehicle invisible to hostile thermal imaging systems, earning it the media nickname Ghost. Most importantly, the company prioritized the development of stealth-type technologies to ensure the vehicle's survivability as an alternative to traditional heavy armor. The Ghost's outer appearance has also been modified to lower its signature against radar detection. Taking the third spot on the list is a corridor robot. In late October 2019, people were tricked by a highly controversial dystopian video showing a sharpshooting robot turning on its human tormentors. It appeared so realistic because of the sophisticated artificial intelligence and increasingly agile robots that are quickly becoming a reality. In the video, they put an animated, armed robot through a series of target shooting tests in the desert. One of the tests was to see if the robot could tell the difference between a fake dummy and a real person. Humans beat down the robot with hockey sticks and force it to shoot one of its robot dogs before it turns on them and flees from there. As the video spread, many social media users shared it with messages of concern for the robot's well-being and concern about the robot's apparent ability to turn against humans. Many Twitter users quickly pointed out that this was not a true scenario. Corridor Digital is a Los Angeles-based production studio with a large YouTube following known for its viral videos with massive special effects. This wasn't the first time Corridor Digital sparked interest online with a robot parody video. In June of that year, the group released a similar parody video of a robot turning on humans. On the other hand, Corridor posted an explainer video to a different YouTube channel, Corridor Crew, explaining that the video was created using motion capture. In other words, a human actor played the role of the robot, and the robot was later digitally edited. And like many others, if Corridor's digital creation also tricked you, it may be because robots have become quite advanced, and viewers have been primed with real reports of robots that can shoot and do gymnastics. On a much greater scale, this video also predicts the future of robotics technology and the scenario that implies a promising future for artificial intelligence. Coming down to number 4, we have the MQ-25 Stingray. Introducing a new era in American unmanned naval aviation, the Boeing MQ-25 Stingray is the future of the American Navy. MQ-25 Stingray is an aerial refueling drone developed as part of the Carrier-Based Aerial Refueling System program, which evolved from the earlier unmanned carrier-launched airborne surveillance and strike program. The MQ-25 Stingray will be the world's first carrier-based unmanned aircraft capable of aerial refueling, intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance. This giant will be built by incorporating a persistent sea-based tanker into the CVGO, will allow us to better use our combat strike fighters while extending the range of our aircraft carriers. The system will be an essential component of the future CVGO and a key component of the Navy's Strategic Unmanned Campaign Framework. It will form the groundwork for all future carrier-based unmanned systems, pioneering the cutting-edge manned-unmanned teaming operational concept. The MQ-25 is divided into two parts: the MQ-25 Air System and the Unmanned Carrier Aviation Mission Control System, which is required for carrier integration, command and control of the MQ-25 air vehicle and payload. MQ-25 is currently in flight testing and has gained valuable early insight from its contractor, who also owns its predecessor, T-1. The government team flew the MQ-25 T-1 test aircraft for the first time in 2019. Early T-1 testing data enables learning and discovery to advance the development of major systems and software and supports a rapid developmental test program. In August 2018, the Navy entrusted the Boeing Company with the engineering and manufacturing development contract to create, develop, test, deliver, and support 4 MQ-25A engineering development models. The Navy executed a contract option to buy 3 additional test aircraft in 2020. Boeing will deliver the EDM aircraft in the next few years, and testing will take place at its facility in St. Louis, Missouri. If successful, the MQ-25 will improve combat strike fighters and increase the range of our aircraft carriers. Finally, at the bottom of the list is the massive Hermes quarter-horse hypersonic aircraft. Almost 2 decades after Concorde retired, interest in supersonic travel has grown, and several ultra-fast planes are in the works. Airlines appear to be interested, with the United States already committed to offering supersonic routes as early as 2029. According to the company's website, Hermes was founded in 2018 with the goal of drastically speeding up air. They are developing Mach 5 aircraft using knowledge gained from their time at new space companies to connect people faster and bring much-needed innovation to commercial flight. The Atlanta-based company Hermes is working to create hypersonic aircraft. Quarter Horse is the first step toward Dark Horse, a 4th-generation fighter-size aircraft designed for high-speed, long-duration trials. Full-scale engines and environmental and thermal control components are being evaluated as part of the development program. The ultimate goal is to create a Mach 5 20-seat passenger version of the Halcyon. They are already testing a new type of engine that they claim will eventually be capable of reaching Mach 5, which is over 3,000 miles per hour. Hermes is currently being developed for the U.S. Air Force but will be scaled up to the size of a passenger plane. The engine could eventually be used in a commercial passenger plane and a military fighter plane. That passenger plane, however, may be a long way off, but Hermes hopes to have it in the air for its first test flight by 2029. Thank y'all for watching the video. What do you think about these technologies? Will they alter the way wars are fought? Are they safe or can pose a threat to humanity in the coming days? Let us know by sharing your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Love you guys, and I'll see you soon in the next video.